VNC is a function for remotely monitoring and even controlling the HMI screen. M2i HMI series can connect cell phone, laptop, and HMI. Let's try to set TOP or W10-inch HMI as VNC server. HMI IP is 192.168.0.10. Password is 1234. Click to Service tab and find Remote HMI Server icon. Click to Start to run VNC. The set of VNC server is completed. Run our VNC viewer apps. Try to type the IP address of VNC server. Touch to the connect. Password is 1234. Cell phone can be shown as HMI screen now. M2i's HMI can be even VNC client, despite of different screen size. Try to set IP address 192.168.0.40. Try to set IP address 192.168.0.10. Password is 1234. Finally, this HMI is shown the same screen of VNC server HMI. Also, changing the screen by VNC client, HMI remotely. Touch the screen the cell phone. Touch the HMI screen.